Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a minimal, reliable scaffold. Enable developer extras and preferences so console and templates behave predictably. Then create a folder in your scripts/addons path and add in it. Py. In that file, declare BL info with name, author, version, and Blender compatibility. Once done, open Blender's text editor, save the file using the exact add-on folder name, and keep the console visible for errors. This gets you immediately from setup to a loadable add-on without wasted steps. Now implement the operator, properties, and UI. This is the complex middle. Write an operator class with a clear BL-id name and implement execute, self context to do the work, return finished or canceled. Add properties with BPY. Props e.g., int property, float property to store user input, use them in the operator or panel. Create a panel class with draw self context to expose controls. Finally, create a classes list and call register and unregister in the module. That ensures Blender can load and finish by packaging, installing, and validating the add-on. Zip the add-on folder or leave it in scripts/addons so Blender can discover it. Then go to Preferences Add-ons and use Install, or simply enable the add-on from the list. Test behavior with varied inputs and reload scripts to catch registration issues. If things go wrong, open the system console and read the traceback. Most failures are syntax errors, import mistakes, or duplicate BL-id name. Fix the indicated line, reload, and re-enable the add-on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.